Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add GIFs on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you want to add GIFs to your TikTok videos, let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your TikTok app and here just tap on this plus option to create a new video. Now you just have to try to record a video here. Just press and hold and then release. Once you have done, just tap on this check mark or the done option. So now on this page, you can easily add a GIF to your video. Just tap on the stickers option here, and then you can directly search for GIFs, or you can choose anyone from here. So I'm gonna select anyone from here. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. Just select that, and then you can zoom it, you can resize it, or you can move it on your screen. So where you want to, just select and then tap on next option here and then select post and your video will be posted. So in this way you can easily add GIFs to your TikTok video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.